In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Jira's project settings to enhance your project management capabilities. The process is straightforward and will allow you to tailor your project's configurations to meet your specific needs. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser that you feel most comfortable using. Once your browser is open, head over to the Jira login page. Here, it's important to enter your credentials accurately to gain access to your account. This step is crucial because accessing Jira's project settings cannot be done unless you're logged in. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Jira dashboard. From here, navigate to the Projects menu. You'll find this conveniently located in the top navigation bar and it's easily recognizable. Clicking on the Projects menu will present you with a list of all the projects linked to your account. Select the project you wish to manage by clicking on its name. This will take you directly to the project's main page. Now that you're on the project page, it's time to locate the project settings link. This might be a bit tricky to find at first glance as it's tucked away within the left-hand sidebar of the project page. If you don't spot it immediately, don't worry, just scroll down towards the bottom of the menu and there it should be. Once you've found the project settings link, go ahead and click on it. This action will open up a new page displaying all the configurable options for your selected project. This is your playground for project customization. You'll see options such as details, users and roles, permissions, issue types, workflows, and screens, along with other configurable elements. Each section within the project settings provides tools for fine-tuning your project. If you need to update user roles and permissions, tweak workflows, or adjust issue types, you have the power to implement these changes. These modifications can significantly influence how your project is managed. Simply click on any of these sections to make the changes you desire. Navigating through these options might seem overwhelming at first, but keep in mind that a little exploration goes a long way in understanding how you can better utilize these features to enhance your project management. Making adjustments to these settings is an ongoing process that can help ensure your project runs smoothly and efficiently. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily access and manage your project settings in Jira. This knowledge will empower you to make necessary adjustments that align with your team's objectives and workflow needs. Happy managing!